When the news of Compass closing happened, it was devastating.
My patients have been very happy to hear that we're moving back to East Bridgewater.
Signature is just a breath of fresh air, and I look forward to that location getting up and running for the patients in the community.
When we first found out that Compass was bankrupt and was going out of business, we determined there were about 70,000 patients that wouldn't have a primary care physician. So we were concerned for that community. Very quickly, we met with the owners, and initially we'll lease around 60,000 square feet with intentions of a master lease in the future.
When I first heard that Signature Healthcare was going to be occupying the medical office building in East Bridgewater, I was very excited. I think Signature Healthcare just continues to show me that they really do care about their patients. They know that the accessibility of healthcare, whether it be the smallest little scratch on your leg that you need to see urgent care for, or something major with a cardiac condition, they want to be there to serve all of their patients in a convenient location.
As an integrated health system, we have a single medical record across the medical group and Brockton Hospital. We're all part of one team, and that helps coordinate care. By being a multi-specialty group, we have the ability to provide an array of services. And I think some of those services are at the very top of what you can provide in the community setting.
We're really excited to have Signature take over the Compass building in East Bridgewater. When they left, it left a big hole in the community. A lot of families were impacted, and by having Signature, who's been such an integral part of our Y and our community, take over that building and step into a space to provide those services is just going to make a tremendous impact in our community.
As a former Compass employee, I'm very excited to hear about the East Bridgewater location opening up for Signature and adding in those specialties and new providers there. And Signature is such a big part of this community in East Bridgewater and Brockton, and this community deserves it. It deserves good care, and I know that they're going to get that there at Signature in East Bridgewater.
Signature Healthcare has been a bedrock of the community, providing medical care for over 100 years. They have always sought to improve and expand upon their delivery of care. I think that incorporating the East Bridgewater site into their care network sort of demonstrates their commitment to the community and the fact that they're not going anywhere and they will be providing care for many years to come.
I'm very excited to have Signature Healthcare in East Bridgewater, right next to the high school. We already have rehab services at the Y, which brings a little bit of a connection with the community, but now it's going to have a bigger impact with having physicians and imaging at Signature Healthcare in East Bridgewater.
Brockton Hospital's been in the area for 125 years. The expansion into East Bridgewater only ensures that it will be here for another 125 years, serving the people of Brockton, the Bridgewaters, and the surrounding communities.